So with Unified Data Storage Management, Komprise provides you great storage insights into your storage platforms. You're able to easily see data and information about your systems across the different vendors and different platforms in a consistent view, in a quick and easy way to see what's important to you and your information as you plan your day-to-day operations, and to see the health of the systems. Are they particularly busy? Is there a certain amount of free space? Are they overutilized? You can see a lot of this information very quickly, as well as get notifications on when there's conditions to take a look at, such as if a system's under 20% free, that could impact performance and it's something you might want to take a look at. Or if there's a new growth rate in the environment, that again is something else that you might want to drill into. That might be an indication of a rogue application or some virus software or some things like that. And the great thing about this view is it's totally customizable to the need of your organization. You can come in through the columns and select from about 20 different parameters of what's important to understand in your environment and to see on your systems. The great thing about the column structure is that you can pick the fields that are important to you. So for example, I could come along and add in modified data to my environment. And I can see the actual amount of data, not just the percentage of what was modified. And here with the little gear, you see I can go and choose a threshold for that to get a warning indicator on the screen if I want to see that as well. So you're able to customize the view. I can not only choose my columns, but I can come at any time and reorganize my columns and pick them so that I can see things left to right for what's most important to me. For example, as an executive, seeing the capacity per department might be more important. So I'm able to choose that, and I can now see that on this corporate net app that I have some departments allocated, and I can see that this marketing group is taking up about 500 terabytes of space. I can also see through my little demo environment, we've set some automatic thresholds to trigger alarms so you can see what the alarms look like, that they're growing very rapidly. You can also get a measurement of feel for the cold data in your environment. And this might be an area that you'd like to investigate in terms of some storage savings. By being able to move some of this cold data, 50% or more, we can impact this overall storage cost by 70%, freeing up a lot of money for new opportunities, new applications, and other things. You can come along through here and reanalyze shares. You can re-verify connections to the shares. You can edit details about the shares, such as maybe I want to change my department from marketing to finance. It's easy to point and click and do and see the updates for the information for you. So here I've changed him over. So as you can tell, quite easily with this one interface, you can come in, get that snapshot view of your environment right away, identify particular issues that might be going on in your environment, and go and address them. With this growth, you might next go on to deep analytics or to the plan page to understand where this data is, get a listing of those files that are changing, for example, where that new data is rising in from. So you can understand your organization and your data structures and be able to make better decisions to move forward.